Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best cookbook binder is probably one of the most essential tools for any home chef looking to organize their culinary creations, transforming scattered recipes into a cohesive and easily accessible collection that inspires confidence and creativity in the kitchen, ensuring your favorite dishes are always at your fingertips. Number 5. Clever Fox Recipe Book Spiral, Blank Family Cookbook. Keep all your favorite recipes in one place with this blank recipe organizer. It holds up to 60 recipes and features numbered pages with a table of contents for easy access. This recipe journal makes cooking more enjoyable. It includes a bucket list for recipes you want to try, a cooking glossary, and a handy measurement table. Looking for a great gift? This recipe planner features a beautiful eco-leather hardcover and comes with fun stickers to personalize it. It's perfect for any food lover. This blank cookbook is designed for durability. It has a sturdy spiral binding, thick paper, a vegan leather cover, and an elastic band to keep it secure. It's a generous size for all your recipes. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied with your recipe book for any reason, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Just reach out to us for a refund or exchange. What we like? This recipe journal offers a large format with durable spiral binding and a premium eco-leather hardcover. If you are looking for a robust and stylish way to store a good number of recipes, this is a great choice. Its thoughtful design makes it ideal for busy home cooks who want their cookbook to last. What people say. There's tons of writing room for those of you who have large handwriting. You'll always be able to fit one recipe on the page without having to use another. The color of the cover and the cover itself is really nice looking. It also comes with some cute stickers. Everything is organized neatly and there are a lot of pages for you to fill. It lets you create your own table of contents and gives you ample space for writing, which is great because I have pretty large handwriting. The color is super vibrant and the cover is so soft and pleasant to hold. I love that the paper used is a bit of a heavy stock and the pens I use that typically bleed through paper don't on this. Really sturdy and durable notebook. It also has a cheat sheet for measurements, imperial versus metric as well as weight from oz to grams. Number 4. 3-ring Recipe Binder Kit, White. Introducing our elegant recipe binder, designed to keep all your cherished recipes in one place. Its durable hardcover and laminated finish protect your culinary masterpieces from everyday kitchen mishaps. This comprehensive kit includes a large 8.5 by 11-inch binder, 60 recipe cards, 8 customizable dividers, 30 protective sleeves, and extra pages for all your holiday favorites. Everything is thoughtfully included to make recipe organization a breeze. Crafted with a sturdy hardcover and a beautiful bold foil, recipes, stamp, this binder is as stylish as it is practical. The high-quality 300 GSM paper ensures your recipes are preserved neatly for years to come. We've enhanced readability with larger line spacing on recipe cards and pages, making it easier to read your recipes while you cook. It also includes helpful charts for conversions and winery tips. Looking for a unique gift? This recipe binder is perfect for anyone who loves to cook, bake, or share family recipes. It makes a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, weddings, and anniversaries. What we like? This recipe binder kit comes complete with recipe cards, category dividers, and protective sleeves, all within a sturdy, spill-resistant hardcover. If you need an all-in-one solution to get started organizing your recipes immediately, this is perfect for you. It's especially great for beginners or as a thoughtful gift for someone starting their culinary journey. What people say. The binder itself is very sturdy, which is a big plus in the kitchen, and the included clear laminated sleeves keep the recipe cards clean. I really appreciate that there's a bunch of cooking measurements printed on the inside cover of the binder. They are very helpful for quick reference. I like that the recipe cards are front and back, very spacious. Sheet protectors for the recipe cards are included. I love the helpful hints measurements on the front and back cover. Provides additional value. It's nice because there are multiple ways to add recipes, index cards, full sheets, or printouts. It also includes blank tabs so you can categorize the recipes however you want. Another nice feature is that it lays flat, or would sit nicely in a cookbook stand. Number 3. Meadowsweet Kitchen's Botanical Treasures Cookbook. Introducing the Meadowsweet Kitchen's Botanical Treasures Cookbook. It's designed to help you collect and protect all your favorite recipes in one beautiful place. Our unique self-adhesive pages hold your recipe clippings securely, protecting them from splatters and spills. They work like photo album pages, keeping your precious recipes safe. 8 tab dividers with pre-printed categories help you sort your recipes. Keep loose clippings in the handy pockets until you're ready to add them permanently. The cover easily wipes clean, and you can even remove a single page for cooking convenience. No need to bring the entire binder into the kitchen. Customize your cookbook further with our wide selection of refill recipe pages, available in various sizes and styles to suit your needs. This cookbook is not only functional but also a beautiful addition to your kitchen decor, featuring a lovely botanical design. What we like. This cookbook binder features unique self-adhesive pages that protect your recipes and a white clean cover for easy maintenance. If you value convenience and want to keep your precious recipe clippings safe from splatters, this is an excellent option. You can even remove individual pages for use while cooking, making it incredibly practical. What people say. This binder has exactly what I wanted. It feels sturdy and looks cute. It also has conversion charts or tips on the inside. The company sells aesthetically compatible sleeves and recipe cards so you can truly make this binder your own. Their website allows you to download your own templates in the theme of your recipe binder, so you can print those pages out to add to this binder as well. This recipe book is so easy to use. It is the best way I've found to store and easily organize all the recipes I've collected and want to have on hand. The magnetic plastic pages are pure genius. The binder rings let you take out individual pages, which makes it so much easier to use when you're cooking. The plastic cover protects the recipe and can be wiped down later, and the pages are firm enough to stand up against something on their own. They also make it super easy to rearrange recipes on a page or pages in the book. This was even better than I imagined. It is very sturdy. I now have my recipes all in one place and they are easy to read and find, as well as update. The magnetic pages are wonderful and have given me a lot of versatility in arranging and rearranging recipes. And even though I thought I had a lot of recipes, they all fit perfectly within the pages that were included. Number 2. WEMATE DIY Waterproof Recipe Binder. Introducing the WEMATE Recipe Book, your personal space to capture all your favorite dishes. It's designed to be the perfect companion for every home chef. With its convenient binder design, you can easily add, remove, or rearrange pages. This makes customizing your cookbook a breeze, ensuring it perfectly fits your culinary journey. Don't worry about kitchen mishaps. Its durable, waterproof cover protects your precious recipes from stains and spills, keeping them pristine for years to come. Stay organized with vibrant divider pages and handy index stickers. Quickly locate any recipe, or store extra notes and clippings with ease. Enjoy ample writing space on high-quality pages that prevent ink from bleeding through. Your handwritten recipes will always look neat and legible. This comprehensive set includes everything needed to start documenting recipes. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who loves to cook. What we like. This recipe book boasts a durable waterproof cover and an impressive capacity to hold up to 272 recipes, all within a flexible 8-ring binder. If you have a vast collection of recipes or plan to expand it significantly, this binder offers ample space and excellent protection. Its waterproof feature makes it ideal for any kitchen environment. What people say. The book appears to be well constructed, holds sufficient number of pages, and plenty of room to write recipes and notes. It's not too large. Large enough to write your favorite recipes inside. Was just the product I needed to organize my recipes. Plenty of room to write. Number 1. Meadowsweet Kitchen's Newlyweds Recipe Card Holder. Celebrate the start of their culinary journey with a thoughtful gift. This binder is designed to hold cherished family recipes and new creations. Friends and family can share their favorite dishes, creating a collection of treasured recipes. It's a wonderful way to pass down culinary traditions. The cover features a lovely watercolor design of succulents, peonies, and greenery. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This binder comes with everything needed to get started: recipe cards, protective sleeves, and categorized dividers. It's designed for easy organization and personalization. It can hold up to 100 recipe cards, ensuring plenty of space for all their culinary adventures. Additional cards and sleeves are available to expand its capacity. This organizer provides a complete solution for preserving and sharing favorite recipes. Consider the virtual bundle for great savings on this item and its refills. What we like. This mini 2-ring binder organizer is specifically designed for newlyweds, making it a charming way to collect and store cherished recipes. If you're looking for a special gift for a couple starting their life together, or if you're a newlywed wanting to create a culinary legacy, this is a perfect fit. Its compact size and charming design are ideal for a new home. What people say. The binder is designed to hold standard 8.5 by 11-inch recipe pages, with 3 holes punched. It includes 50 clear sheet protectors to safeguard your recipes from spills and splatters. The binder features a durable cover and a sturdy dearring mechanism that keeps pages securely in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.